In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce CRM to N8N. Setting up this connection allows you to automate workflows and streamline processes between your Salesforce and N8N environments. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by accessing the credentials in N8N. Open the N8N interface and take a look at the left sidebar, where you'll find the Credentials section. Click on it to navigate to the Credentials page, which is where you'll manage the authentication keys for all your integrations. Here, you'll click on Create New to initiate setting up a new connection. It's a straightforward process, but it's critical to follow every step to ensure a secure and functional setup. Once you have clicked Create New, select Salesforce as the credential type. This will ensure that the credentials you're creating are specifically configured for Salesforce interaction, which is essential for seamless data flow between the platforms. After selecting Salesforce, you'll need to choose an authentication method. N8N offers two options here: OAuth 2 or JWT. Let's begin with OAuth 2, which is commonly used for secure integrations. To set up OAuth 2, navigate over to your Salesforce account, head to the Setup section, and from there, find App Manager. This is where you'll create a new connected app. When setting up the app, use the following parameters. For the callback URL, use http:/localhost OAuth redirect. This URL is crucial as it directs the OAuth flow back to N8N, ensuring your connection is properly established. Under OAuth scopes, make sure to select Full Access, Full, and Perform Requests at any time, Refresh Token, Offline Access. These settings are necessary to authorize the right level of access needed for N8N to interact adequately with your Salesforce data. Once you've saved these settings, make sure to note down your consumer key and consumer secret. You'll need these shortly. In N8N, enter the consumer key and consumer secret along with your Salesforce username and password. These credentials authenticate your access to Salesforce through N8N and are vital for the connection to work. Alternatively, you can use JWT, a different method of authorization. If you select JWT, you'll need to generate a private key and a certificate, which can be self-signed or obtained from a certificate authority. Back in Salesforce, create another connected app using the same callback URL and OAuth scopes as mentioned earlier. Upload your certificate in the Connected App settings. Back in N8N, you'll enter your Salesforce username, along with the consumer key and the private key generated earlier. This setup is equally secure, but might suit different preferences for security protocols. Finally, after entering all required information for either method, click Save. This action stores your Salesforce credentials securely in N8N, ensuring that your connection is ready to use whenever you need it. With these steps completed, you've successfully connected Salesforce CRM to N8N. Now you can streamline processes and enhance productivity with automated workflows between your Salesforce and N8N environments. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating!